We just got a brand new working mill. I like the working mill. It's a pretty good productive machine. We are milling and fill and do patches with it. This job right here involves a 2-inch mill and overlay. It runs like a champ. We can run probably about 70 feet a minute at 2 inches. It's easy to run. Well, I like the feature the way the belt folds up for transport. I like how you can control the depth from up top of the machine and all the cameras around it. The asphalt crew won't be able to keep up with this.